Good evening, folks, and welcome to this setup, which we have on the USD CAD market at the moment. So what we're looking for, we are looking for, well, this is the second zone of consolidation, so that should be correctly marked up accordingly. That's the first. This is the second. Market works in threes. Look at the other videos. Now we're looking at this as market cycle in line with the main market cycle, which I will show you. So we're looking for a harmonic pattern. This pink, this here to here, let me just mark it up. A, B, C, D. Now we are trading off this smaller ABCD within this CD leg. But what we have here in front of your eyes is a Gartley pattern. Really beautiful Gartley pattern that is in line with the market cycle, which you will see here. And there you have it, folks. We'll see how that goes. And it's as simple as that. Cheers for watching.